Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. You can also like the video and share the video in your groups.
Hi students, every day is a new day. And fourthly, simply brackets or box brackets. line bracket or any bracket, there are two possibilities. Suppose here two problems. Here this expression is multiplied by this monomial 2x plus 2x, and here another expression is multiplied by a negative number minus 5xy. Just I want to teach you, when an expression, algebraic expression is multiplied by a positive number, then the sign of each term will remain same. So here you can see what is the sign of each term. Here is positive, here is negative, and here is positive. So the sign of these terms, each term will remain same. Now let us see how 2x and 3x square is multiplied. You know the numerical terms are multiplied. It will be 6, and x into x square means x to the power 2 plus 1. That is, like variables, when multiplied, the powers will be added. That is, we know x to the power m into x to the power n equals to x to the power n plus n. Just utilize the formula x to the power m into x to the power n equals to x to the power n plus n. So here you see, here is x and here is x square, so it will be x to the power 3, and here is positive and here negative. I have already told, same sign will be there. So numericals, multiplication of numericals will be made, that is 14, x into x, that is x square y, and it will be 20, as because no change of sign to be made, 20 x y square, because x and y are two different literals, different variables. Here you see why x square, because here is x outside the bracket and 2x is multiplied with minus 7xy. So x and x, that is x square. Here is 6x cube minus 14x square y plus 20 x y square. I think it is clear. Only two things you have to remember. As the expression is multiplied by positive sign, here 2x means plus 2. So the sign of each term never be changed. First. Secondly, you have to multiply. You know the rules of multiplication of two monomials. That is 2x into 3x square. 2 into 3 means 6, and x square into x, that is x to the power 3. So it is 6x cube minus 14x square y plus 20 x y square. Now let us see what would be here. Here you see there is a negative sign, and inside this, whatever will be the sign, since it is this expression is multiplied by a negative number, so each term would be changed their sign. So what would be 5 into 2, that is minus 10. Here is 2 means plus 2. So I have already told you the change of sign to be made, that is 10 x cube y x cube, x into x square x cube into y. It is a negative sign. Negative into negative means it is positive, that is 35. X y into xy means x square y square. Here is also negative. 5 into 3, that is 15. It is multiplied by negative number, so it will be changed, that is 15 x y square, and it is also negative. why x y square? X, there is no x, only one y. Y in y to the power y into y means y square, so it is y square. And here is, you see, it is plus 45. 5 into 9 means 45, minus, here is minus, here is also minus, it will be 45, and x, y, z. So I think it is clear. Only two things you have to remember. If the expression is multiplied by a negative number, the sign of each term should be changed. Here see, it is plus, it will be minus. Here is minus, it will be plus. Here is minus, it will be plus. And here is also minus, it will be plus. And secondly, you know the rule. Multiplication of two monomials. 5 into 2 means 10. Xy into x square, that is x cube y. And so on. So I think both the terms, whenever an expression is multiplied by a positive term and whenever an expression is multiplied by a negative term, both the problems are clear to you. I like to advise you, please follow this type of problems many times, and you will face no problem at all. Now let us learn the order of preference of all the four brackets. Let us take an example. Suppose 3x minus 5 into 2x minus 7x minus 2y minus 3x. Let us see what is the rule. Students, in every bracket, before removing the bracket, you must solve the problem inside the bracket. So what would be the second step? It will be 3x minus 5 into 2x minus, here you see there is a line bracket. Outside the bracket it is minus, but inside the bracket 7x is positive. Here 7x minus 3x means 4x minus 2y. What we are doing? We have to solve first inside the bracket before removing it. So we have made the solution grouping 7x minus 3x, and it will be ultimate result of this group 7x plus 7x. Actually outside the line bracket I have already told it is negative, but inside the bracket it is 7x positive. So 7 plus 7x minus 3x means 4x minus 2y it is already given. So it will be 3x minus 5 into 2x minus 4x plus 2y. You have already learned outside the bracket it is negative, so the change of sign will be made. Here it is 4x positive, so it will be negative, and here is negative, it will be positive. So plus 2y. Now once again you follow the rule. First you solve the problems inside the bracket before removing the bracket. So what would be the result? It will be minus 2x plus 2y, because it is plus 2x minus 4x, So it will be minus 2x plus 2y as it is. It will be remain as it is. These are alike. These are not alike terms. These are different variables. So now it will be 3x. Here is minus 5. So it is the change of sign will to be made. That is minus 10x. Sorry, minus into minus 2x. That is it will be plus 10x. And there is plus and outside minus. So it will be minus 10y. So this numerical term to be multiplied with numerical term. So 2 into 5 means 10, and here is minus, here is plus. I have already told you it will be negative. Here again you see 3x and 10x. So it will be 13x minus 10y. Students, I have already told you in real life problem we generally define the problems in algebraic expressions, and very often all these expressions are like this. That is, it will be complex one, and here you see 7b minus bracket, box bracket, 2a minus 3b plus 9c minus 2 into braces or curly bracket, a minus b plus 3 into first bracket or round bracket, a plus b minus c minus line bracket, under the line bracket a minus b minus c, and then all the brackets are closed. So what is the rule? What is the rule to solve? One first rule is you have to solve the line bracket first, inside the line bracket first. Suppose it is inside the line bracket first, and after that first so solve. So first remove whenever all the brackets are used. Here you see there is line bracket, then first bracket or round bracket, here is braces, here is box bracket or brackets. So the order of preference of the use of brackets, first remove the line bracket first. After that this bracket, that is round bracket, and after that braces, and after that the box brackets. So let us see how it is solved, and let us write 7b as it is minus 2a minus 3b plus let us start then we will start here. Simply here is minus 2, here is 2, inside the bracket both are positive, so after multiplication both will be negative, so it will be minus 2a and it will be minus 10b. So you have already learned under this bracket you have to solve first, after that the bracket to be removed. So you have to solve the terms first. So it will be 7b minus, here is 2b, sorry, here is 2a, here is 2a minus 2a, that is cancelled. We have seen it is 9c. Here is 9c plus 9c minus 3b minus 3b minus 10c, that is minus 13, sorry, here minus 3b and minus 10b, that is 13b. You know the rule of summation. Here is whenever the sign are same, in case of summation, the numerical value to be added, so it will be minus 13b. And here is 2b, 2a, and here is minus 2a, it is cancelled automatically. So 9c minus 13b. Now see, here is negative sign outside the bracket, so change of sign to be made. It is 7b minus 9c plus 13b. Since it is negative, after multiplication, after removing the bracket, it will be positive. In otherwise we may think also, it is total expression is multiplied by minus 1. So what would be the result? Minus 9c plus 13b. And here you see 7b and 13b, that is 20b. 20b minus 9c, and b and c, since different literals, different variables, so no more addition or subtraction to be made. Hence it is the solution of the complex algebraic expression. I advise you to solve simple problem. Suppose a minus b into c minus a minus b, alike. These types of problem from your books, and I will give some simple problems for your practice in my Facebook page. The link of the Facebook page will be added in the description of the video.